The price of Ethereum right now is on the rise, and many of the investors around the world are starting to put their interest in the asset. In today's video, I will be showing you some methods that will enable you to earn free Ethereum for a couple of minutes and potentially make thousands and thousands of dollars. This method does not require any investment or any kind of trading. The thing that you need is your time, a mobile device or a computer, then some internet. This is available worldwide. No matter what country you are in, you can still do this. Make sure to watch the whole video so that you don't miss out on the important details. When you decide to start investing, the most important part of the process is educating yourself. This is Investor Boost. Subscribe to the channel and give this video a big thumbs up to enter into a monthly cash giveaway. And lastly, don't forget to watch until the end and leave a comment down below. Now let's get right into it. The first thing that we are going to do is go to this website called Etheruem.org. This website is a freelancing website where you can do some jobs to earn free cryptocurrencies. Etheruem Freelancing is an online jobs platform where users can work and hire using digital currencies such as Bitcoin and Ethereum. Register for Etheruem now to land your first gig or start receiving live bids from qualified freelancers in minutes. How does this website work? Someone will post some projects and then they are going to receive free quotes from the freelancers. And then the clients select the freelancer based on what they want. And lastly, they are going to pay the freelancer once the task is complete. Etheruem has different features. They offer free bids, they have freelancer portfolios, and the best thing about this website is that they offer Bitcoin or any cryptocurrencies as form of payment to their freelancers. Scroll down below and you can see down here what are the services this website offers. I will be going to show you more information about these later. But first, I will tell you the earning potential that you can get every service that you are going to do. For website development, you are going to get $250 US. And for blockchain wallet, you are going to earn $500 US. Instagram followers, $0.10 US. A logo design will be $25 US, and a lot more. You can potentially earn hundreds and hundreds, or even thousands with these different kinds of services if you are going to do them. Don't worry guys, because you don't need to be an expert to earn money with this method. I'm going to show you a service where you can do that is very easy and very simple to do. Scroll down below, and right here is where you can take a look at the different categories. They offer a lot of services on this website. Right now, we are going to sign up for a free account. If you want to enter our cash giveaways, smash the thumbs up and comment down below. Just simply click on this I want to work button, and then you are going to land on this page where you can just directly input the information needed. Once you are done signing up, you are going to see this page right here. You don't need to get verified on this website because that is not essential. But when you have extra money for paying the verified version of this account, well, I recommend you to do that. The next thing that we are going to do is click on the Browse option. Right now, you can see here the different projects that are available for you to do. There are many different categories of projects that you can do on this website. You can also see here the potential money that you can get for every project and the type of payment that they are using. For example, this project right here, you can earn this amount of money for doing this work, and the payment that they are going to use is Bitcoin. That's how easy and simple this website is to understand. If you are going to do this project, for example, this one, just directly click on the project and it will take you to this page where you can see the project description and all the information about the project. You can place a bid right here on this section. I recommend you to put a lower price so that you are the one that will get picked by the client. Right now, I will be going to show you the category that we are going to work on. I want you to click on this usability testing category right here. So, this is the category that will let you earn a lot of money easily in just a few minutes. These are many projects that you can participate in this category. Everyone can do this because this is a very beginner-friendly. And the best thing is that this is worldwide available. What you're going to do in this category is just download their app and test it, then give out your feedback based on your experience using the device. The next thing that you're going to do now is to go to every project and put your bids on it. This website also offers freelancer plans. Just click on the freelancer plan section. There are 3 different plans that you can avail on this website: the free, the verified, and the Ethereum Pro. If you have some money, I will recommend you that you are going to get the Ethereum Pro because of the best incentives that you can get. But the free version is more than enough for you. Before we continue, please comment down below on what country you are in so that I can make more videos for your region to let you learn and earn a lot of money with the methods that I'm going to show you. Also, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Let's proceed right to the video. This website also has a great referral program. Just click on the referrals option right here, and then you're going to land on this page. This is the referral dashboard, where you can see the people that you have referred to. If you're wondering how much money you can get in doing the referral program, you can make a decent amount of money with the referral program. You can get around 25% for every referral that you make. I recommend that you refer your friends and family on this website, or share this to different social media platforms or different groups that you have online. This website is very amazing. You can start with this even without experience. That's how you can earn free Ethereum with this method. And that's it for today's video. I hope you learned something. Give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. I'll see you when I see you.